Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Honorable President, Chief Guest, Special Guest, teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. The topic of my talk is the importance of da'wah. The Arabic word da'wah means call or invitations in Islamic term when a person believes in oneness of Allah and obeys His commands, instructions, advice and preach the words of Allah to others. It is called da'wah. Da'wah has two places. One, da'wah among Muslims, and two, da'wah among non-Muslims. Allah has commanded us to give da'wah to both kind of communities, Muslims and non-Muslims. About the importance of da'wah to Muslims, Almighty Allah says in Surah Zariyat, chapter number 51, ayat number 55, وَذَكِّرْ فَإِنَّ الذِّكْرَ تَنفَعُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. That means, and remind, very the reminding prophet the believers. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad has said, convey my teaching to others, even if it's a single sentence. Sahih al-Bukhari, episode number 60, hadith number 3461. Islam is for all mankind. Almighty Allah has sent His messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to holy mankind. It has been mentioned in Surah As-Saba, chapter number 34, ayat number 28. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا كَافَّةً لِلنَّاسِ بَشِيرًا وَنَذِيرًا وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. That means we have sent you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as a giver of glad tidings and warmer to all mankind. Islam is for all mankind. Almighty Allah has sent Islam is for all mankind. Almighty Allah has sent His messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It has been mentioned in Surah An-Nahl, chapter number 16, ayat number 125. Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal maw'izatil hasanah wajadilhum billati hiya ahsan. That means invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom, fair pleasing, and argue with them in a way that is better. Allah commands us so that we obey Him and His messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It has been mentioned in the many places of the glorious Quran, such as in Surah Imran, chapter number 3, verses number 32. Qul ati'u Allah wa rasulah. The Quran says, as please, Shaitan is our open enemy. Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 208. Innahu lakum aduwwun mubin. So Allah Ta'ala gives us the duty of the da'wah. That means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us the duty of preaching the truth to each other, so that we fear and obey Allah. Allah says in Surah Al-An'am, chapter number 6, verse number 69, وَمَا عَلَى الَّذِينَ يَتَّقُونَ مِنْ حِسَابِهِمْ مِنْ شَيْءٍ وَلَكِنْ ذِكْرَى لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَّقُونَ. That means those who fear Allah keep their to Him, and He will are not responsible for them, that is believers, but their duty is to remind them so that they may avoid that. Our duty is only to give good advice, and the owner of Hidayah is Allah. Allah says, فَذَكِّرْ إِنَّمَا أَنْتَ مُذَكِّرْ. That means, so remind them, you are only one who reminds. Surah Al-Ghashiyah, chapter number 88, ayat number 21. We can be real Muslims without giving da'wah. Almighty Allah says in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, ayat number 110, kuntum khayra ummatin ukhriyat linnas ta'muruna bil ma'rufi wa tanhauna 'anil munkar wa tu'minuna billah. That means you are the best of all peoples. You are raised up for mankind. You enjoying al-ma'ruf. Al-ma'ruf means monotheism and all that Islam has ordained, and forbid al-munkar, polytheism, disbeliefs, and all that Islam has ordained. And you believe in Allah. After all, I will mention a surah from Quran, from which you come to know that no man can go to Jannah without inviting to the truth of Islam. وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. That means by Allah's time, verily man is in lost, except those who believe in the good deeds and recommend one another to the truth and recommend one another to patience. Surah Al-Asr, chapter number 103, verse number 1 from 3. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আমার ভিডিওগুলো যদি আপনাদেরকে ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না।